Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, obviously welcome back to another video. So guys, like the title says, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys, and I'm going to show you how I installed and slayed this very nice beautiful highlighted wig. And this wig is from ULAHAIR. Shout out to ULAHAIR on Instagram for sending me this hair. This is their 13x6 teapot wig, so it's basically like a teapot closure. So you have about 1 inch lace space on the side, and then you have a deep part which goes all the way down 6 inches. I really like this hair because it's a teapot closure. All you really need to do is just stick it on. It doesn't really take a lot of work because it's not a 13x4. Anyway, so I'm just going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig and styled it. I absolutely love it. The color is everything for me. So it has little lace on the side, about 1 inch of space in case it is, I guess, if you want to wear it like a frontal. I really love the color of this hair. I got this in 24 inches. The hair is very true to length. This hair is beautiful. It's very nice. As you can see, it straightens quite well. This hair is very nice, especially when it's straightened properly. Once you straighten this hair, it's very silky. I like the deep part. Yeah, the color is everything for me. It's soft. I'll say it does have a bit of flyaways, but that's nothing you can't tame with a bit of got to be or a good wax stick kind of hot comb. The color is everything. You lot have been asking me on Snap about it, and I said I was going to give you guys all the tea. So here you guys go. Be sure to check them out, guys. I'll have all the information in the description box down below. I'll have the link to this exact wig I'm wearing in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. There's not much to say about the hair. The color is amazing. Like you say, it's very soft. It does have a bit of flyaways, but that's nothing too serious. Straightening, it straightens very well. get some money off your order with my discount code KD10. I'll have it on the screen and in the description box down below for you guys. And yeah, except from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Do let me know if you guys want to see more hairstyling videos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And except from that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.